And we're back to learning Inkscape in year day 118. Let me show you the attract option or the attract mode of the tweak tool. Create yet again a rectangle. I go to path, object to path. We have 4 nodes right now. I want to add a couple more under extensions, modify path, add nodes. Use number of segments. I make that 5 and I apply. And it's going to add 5 segments on each side. And therefore we're going to get additional nodes here to work with. So this is just our setup. I've done that in the last couple of videos a little bit slower. So if that was new to you, check out my Inkscape playlist. Follow these videos of the tweak tool one by one. This attraction mode is right here. So the default state, just left click drag, and this will make nodes attract one another. So you can, for example, turn this sharp edge into a round edge. And you can also left click and drag over these lines and then create little spikes. Be careful, at some point it's going to glitch out. So you're going to lose the entire shape. Let me press Ctrl Z here. Let me add a couple of spikes at the bottom too. And this mode is actually used to connect nodes. So as I've said, it's an attraction mode. And this can be seen like a magnet. So when you have 2 magnets and they attract one another, you can see these 2 nodes being attracted. And if we activate the nodes tool, you can see this actually creates new nodes. And one way to use this mode is to straighten a line. So if you have spikes, let's say here on the right hand side, and you want to connect them to create a straight line, it works like that. You've also seen that you can make these sharp edges round with it. But even more interesting is the opposite mode. So it says so at the top, with Shift, you're gonna access the other mode. So this is once again, think about a magnet. When you have 2 and they attract each other, just flip one magnet and then they push each other away from one another. And this is the second mode here. When you hold Shift, these nodes will be basically pushed away from one another. And this can then be used to create these very curvy lines, these very edgy lines. Oh, just total chaos. And this was the attraction mode for paths of the tweak tool in Inkscape. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.